Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your OPPO Find X5 Lite. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store, as here we want to find app called Google Classroom. Now select the app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this app and then OK. Now click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after that click on this join button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.